Have you ever thought about upgrading your front porch light? Out of necessity, we're having to do that. But if you've got one of those jelly jar type, front porch light, or some of those other ones that are just boring, then you might want to check this video out. I'll show you what we chose. Just got this delivered. This is our front porch light, and as you can see, it's seen better days. That fixture is so old and those light bulbs keep burning out. So the instructions are fairly straightforward. Since I was replacing an existing light fixture, it comes with its bracket right here, so you just take the old one off and put the new one in. And then the wiring, it basically is neutral to neutral or white to white, and for positive it's black to black, and it includes the wire nuts. It's got all the screws, the wire nuts. It's a very, very simple install. It's just holding up the fan while you're connecting the wires. But other than that, I mean, it's very, very simple to get installed. Okay, moment of truth. There it is. Oh. Apparently, if you flick the switch several times, it changes the color of the light. So there, it's real bright, and then you turn it off and then turn it back on. It's a little bit cooler. Turn it back off, turn it back on. Now it's kind of got a yellowish thing. So anyway, need AAA batteries to operate the remote, which they did not include. So my wife was a trooper and went to the store and got some AAA batteries. Let's see how this thing does. Oh, okay, so that works. Make it brighter or dimmer. And then importantly, in this 1,000-degree Texas heat, turn on the fan. Oh, there's speed number 1. And then you can go through all the different speeds, and then of course I want it on high, so put it on 6. Well, look at there. And there's no moving parts to worry about hitting the sides of this front porch. It's gonna make me pretty happy. Here's what it looks like at night with the light fully on. Yeah, that sucker's bright. That is with the lowest light setting on. So not too bad. Let's see how well it captures me at night. I'll turn the light all the way on. Not bad. And I really needed a fan like this because it's a 20-inch, slightly less than 20 inches diameter. And all I had really was 30 inches to work with. And oh, by the way, this on the Lowe's site shows that it's rated for outdoor use. When I open up the box, it's not. It says it's for indoor use only. So I'm figuring it's a protected porch. Just gonna send it, as the kids say, see what happens. Anything happens, I'll be sure to post that follow-up in the next video if there needs to be one. You could get it on Amazon, but I think it's like $30 more. So we ran into a sale at Lowe's, and so even though I'm an Amazon affiliate, I still shop around. But anyway, I'll link it in the description below at Lowe's and in Amazon, because I don't know when the sale ends with Lowe's. So until next time, you have a terrific rest of your day.